Hi everybody, it's Josh again here. I want to give you a room tour of cabin 1130 on the Celebrity Summit. Welcome to another Journey with Josh. Okay, I'm going to start with the back of the door, as I always do, with your muster station. Your muster station is going to be on deck 4, D1. This is going to have all of your emergency information. You also have your placard here to let your cabin attendant know that you are sleeping things off and resting. Over on the side, you've got a master light switch. Note that there is no key card. That's wonderful. And then as you walk in, on the right hand side here, you're going to have your wardrobe. Your wardrobe's going to have plenty of space to hang things. And then on the bottom there, you've got places to put your shoes or whatever. More shelving on the other side. Laundry bag, shoe shine bag, places to put larger items. Plenty of hangers on both sides. Nice. And then of course there is a little bit of storage on the top there. You can see. This cabin is beautiful though. And there's the cabin. But before we get to the cabin, let's check out the bathroom on the left hand side here. You've got your light switch. Check this out. This is pretty. You've got your towel hanger to the left there. You've got plenty of shelving there in front of beside the mirror. Fairly large sink space. A little bit of storage on the bottom there. You've got a glass enclosed shower. We're doing Aqua class, so this one does have a few more amenities that you might not find in the other cabins. Now, as I said, we've got the Bigelow apothecaries. We've got that there, shower caps. So all in all, this is a very nice restroom for the cabin. Very nice. Looks very pretty. On the back side of the door, you've got 4 hooks for towels or wet clothes or whatever you want to hang. And across from the bathroom, you've kind of got like a wet bar. This right here has got cabinets where you can store items in. And below that, you've got where they have some water. You've got some drawer storage space. Fairly deep drawers for that. And then over here, you've got a refrigerator. Now, this refrigerator does have items in it for purchase. All of these items, if you take that out, you are going to buy it. And the prices are steep. Just to give you an example, a bottle of Tito's vodka is $9. That is not on your drink package. Up above that, you're going to have your safe, maybe a small iPad, wallet, keys, whatever, but it's not that big. And of course you've got space on top of there. Into the room. This room is gorgeous. It's so comfortable looking, modern. You do have a regular thermostat. This thermostat is working really, really well. As you can see, we have it on the middle thing there, and it feels like it's about 65 degrees in here. So over beside the bed, you've got a nightstand with a drawer, telephone. Let's see. Telephone doesn't seem to have a USB port. You've got a light switch, and you've also got the announcement volume. You've got a reading light above the bed there. There's also plenty of space to store your luggage underneath the bed. Very high up, actually. I like that. And then, of course, you've got your life jackets over there. You've got a large screen television on the wall. Really nice. And then on the other side, you've got another nightstand. This nightstand does have 2 USB ports and 2 North American outlets. Beside the nightstand, you've got a fairly large seat. Probably 2 people could sit in that normally, but and then you've got a table beside that. And then over on the other side, you've got your desk, along with a little bit of extra storage over in the corner there. So you've got some drawers here, fairly deep drawers. You can put your delicates in there. As you can see, we've got a couple of bottles of wine here. Behind the bottles of wine, we've got 2 USB ports, a European outlet, and 2 North American outlets. And then, of course, we've got the light switches. And then, of course, you've got a couple of extra shelves there, too. And as you can see, the mirror lights up for a vanity light. Plenty of desk space there if you want to do some work, or if your companion would like to put on some makeup. Leather chair. Quite comfortable. So there you have it, folks. This right here is cabin 1130 on the 11th deck on the Celebrity Summit. Now, let's go check out the balcony. Okay, so this right here is your latch. I've already opened it. This door is a little bit stiff to pull open. That is a heavy door. But it opens up to a beautiful, spacious balcony. On this balcony, you've got room for a lounge chair, and as well as 2 sitting chairs and a small table. This balcony overlooks the little bar and restaurant, the Sunset Bar on deck 10. And then, of course, you have spectacular panoramic views when you are sailing. This is out of the aft of the ship. You're going to be able to see the wake behind you. Now you're being able to see beautiful Miami Beach in the distance there. Isn't that just gorgeous? A little bit different view of the balcony. As you can see, plenty of space on the balcony. Hi y'all, so just an update to the cabin tour for our cabin. I wanted to let you know that if you happen to stay in this cabin, you need to know that on the side of the cabin outside there is a door that leads down to the Sunset Bar. That door gets used a good bit starting early in the morning, and that door is used throughout the evening, even after, I would say, 11 o'clock at night. When that door shuts, it vibrates the entire wall, and if you're sleeping, it can wake you up. So the room is wonderful, but I just wanted to let you know about that door, and as well as on the opposite side of the ship in the aft area here, there's another door for that side as well, and I assume that it kind of does the same thing too. So all in all, the cabin is wonderful, but you should know about that door on the side that slams and vibrates the entire wall and will wake you up. And as you enter this door, our cabin is literally right here along this wall, and so I would imagine probably the cabin 1136 is going to have the same issue as well with this door slamming shut. So again, just kind of wanted to let you guys know that when that door slams, it can wake you up. There you have it, folks. This is the aft balcony 1130 on the Celebrity Summit. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Also subscribe to the channel, and as always, please know I thank you for tripping with me.